Ah, Disneyland. I don't care what they say. Love it or hate it, there is nothing at all like this place anywhere else in the entire whole wide world, is there, Mare?
Technically, no.
And at Disneyland, there's always so much to do. Like live shows, parades, and they even have a cavalcade going on right now.
Unless you count what's going on in Florida.
They got shops to shop at. They got rare artwork that not only can you look at it, but they'll let you buy it.
Or, Paris, maybe?
You can visit your favorite characters. You can listen to your favorite characters' favorite stories.
Not to mention, I don't know, Singapore?
Okay, you can even go to a place from a long time ago and a galaxy far, far away.
Or Hong Kong. I hear Hong Kong's nice this time of year.
You can see ghosts.
I almost forgot Tokyo. There's Tokyo too.
You can go see pirates.
There's a resort in Hawaii.
Abraham Lincoln.
Bunch of cruise ships. But other than that, no, it's totally unique in every aspect you had just listed.
Right? And that's what I said. At Disneyland, you can do anything. It is totally magical.
Okay, you're not really listening, but there is one thing supposedly you can't do. You can't go on any rides.
Oh yeah, true story. I mean, even though we say, get ready to ride the ride all the time, Disney says that they don't have rides. No, they just have attractions.
Well, it's not totally true. There is one ride.
Wait, there is?
Yep. In fact, we're gonna ride it today.
We are?
Oh, yeah. And Dad, hang on, because this is gonna be a wild one.
Hey everyone, my name is Pete.
And my name is Mary.
And welcome to NeuroDiv Disney, a channel dedicated to helping families on the spectrum survive the happiest place on Earth.
And today we're going to be zipping around jolly old England with our very own motor car. So grab your license, your traveling buddy, and a solid alibi. Let's find out what we're getting ourselves into.
Get ready to hop aboard Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, located on the right-hand side of Fantasyland, just next to Peter Pan.
This is one of the oldest attractions in the park. It's what we call a get in and go. It's only 3 minutes from the time you sit down until the time you exit. Not bad at all.
There are a few things we want to bring to your attention before we get on. For example, there's going to be some heavy lighting effects that you should really be aware of. Not just flashing lights, but strobe lights as well, just in case somebody you know is sensitive to them.
This show doesn't just have loud noises, it is loud noises. Explosions, yelling, horns, tires screeching, some sheep. It's so loud we've used and recommend hearing protection for the more audio-sensitive guests.
There's also periods of darkness. It's just a second here and a second there, but dark is dark.
It's going to be bumpy too. Wood planks, cobblestone, dirt, rocks, some sheep, all the things you'd expect in a car chase through old-timey London and the countryside.
This attraction uses a lap bar as the only restraint, so please watch your kids and stay seated at all times. If they wiggle a lot, they could slip out either underneath it or off the side.
As for elements of surprise, here's what's listed. A lot of sharp turns, a simulated train headlight, and some heat.
Wait, heat?
Yeah, this ride ends with one of the most bizarre twists in any Disney ride ever. And where we're going, there's going to be a lot of heat.
Okay, what do you know about that? This, like all of Fantasyland's dark rides, is one of the most popular attractions in the park, so expect long lines throughout the day. If you're using the DAS Pass, let the cast member at the entrance to Toad Hall know, and they will help you with whatever accommodations they can make. Think of this as like a dry run, because what we want to do is help you to anticipate the overloads, the meltdowns, or the emotional breakdowns that all kids on the spectrum go through. If you know what's going to trigger them before you get there, you can take steps to minimize that before you go. Okay, that's it. If you have headphones, put them on now. It's the best way to experience the enhanced audio.
Now then, get your hands to the 10 and 2, check your mirrors, and get ready to ride the ride. We'll see you at the end.
por llegar. Para disfrutar de un paseo seguro, por favor permanezca sentado, tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y por favor, cuide a los pequeños. Chao. Welcome to Toad Hall. To ensure a safe and glorious drive in your motorcar, remain firmly seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Watch your children, and do try to drive more carefully than Toad. Ta-ta. Bienvenido a Toad Hall. Para su seguridad, por favor permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y por favor, cuide a los pequeños. Esperamos que disfruten el paseo.
No.
I believe that Lola is fetching you to calm down. To ensure your safety while motoring, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and do supervise your children. Have a jolly ride. Su vehículo está por llegar. Para disfrutar de un paseo seguro, por favor permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y por favor, cuide a los pequeños. Chao. Welcome to Toad Hall. To ensure a safe and glorious drive in your motorcar, remain firmly seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Watch your children, and do try to drive more carefully than Toad. Ta-ta. Bienvenido a Toad Hall. Para su seguridad, por favor permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y por favor, cuide a los pequeños. Esperamos que disfruten el paseo. I believe that Lola is fetching the motorcar now. To ensure your safety while motoring, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and do supervise your children. Have a jolly good ride. Su vehículo está por llegar. Para disfrutar de un paseo seguro, por favor permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y por favor, cuide a los pequeños. Chao. Welcome to Toad Hall. To ensure a safe and glorious drive in your motorcar, remain firmly seated, hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Watch your children, and do try to drive more carefully than Toad. Bienvenido a Toad Hall.
That's the last! Guilty! Thank God, that is all!
I believe that motor is touching the motorcar now. Enjoy your sleep. Please remain seated. Your hands, arms, and legs inside. And please have a joyful drive. Soon you will be back with me.
Hey, you made it! Well, we hope this has cured you of your motor mania once and for all. Thanks so much for
Hey, Dad, I didn't expect to go from England to Los Angeles.
Mary, that wasn't Los Angeles. That was the absolute pits and depths of... hey, yeah, you know what? That was Los Angeles. Yeah, why not? Sure. Weird, huh? Ugh. Well, thanks everybody for hanging out with us today.
My name is Mary.
And my name is Pete. This has been NeuroDiv Disney.
Do you have any fun or special memories of Mr. Toad's Wild Ride? Or maybe some good advice on getting through it? If so, please share them in the comments below. Also, all the information we give here today isn't from us. It's directly from Disney themselves. We've put a link to their cognitive service page in the description below. There's a lot of great information from all the services they offer. Really worth the time to visit and read.
And if you enjoyed this video, why don't you hit the like and share button? It really helps the channel out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if we haven't earned your subscription yet today, I promise that we're going to keep making content like this until we do.
In fact, we're in the process of making videos for each attraction and show from both Disneyland and California Adventure, so check back often for new videos. Until then, dream big, plan smart, and we'll see you all at the park.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye!